Good morning, guys. We are so excited today.
We're finally leveling up our channel and we've got something awesome to show you.
So our 2-year wedding anniversary is coming up.
And we decided to not buy each other presents and rather save up and buy something very cool.
Okay, let's show them.
So we bought ourselves a drone. MAVIC MINI, DJI MAVIC MINI.
We went with the Fly More combo. So we are going to open this box. We bought it earlier this week and we have been waiting all week to open it. We are so excited.
So to do our unboxing, we've got my awesome multi-tool that Chantal bought me for my birthday a few years back. So there it is. Let's do it.
Oh my word, guys. Here it is.
So when looking to buy the DJI MAVIC MINI, we did a lot of research and we looked at a lot of different stores to find different prices. We ended up going with a local company called Limitless Tech. They're actually down the road from us and their prices are very good. They have an awesome online shop and we really enjoy doing business with them.
They had the drone in stock, so we literally paid and Craig went to pick it up on the same day, which is really amazing. So when you decide to buy through Limitless Tech, please use our reference, beingbedingfield.
We'll put the link in the description below. Check it out. The prices are amazing. They are a DJI supplier for South Africa, so it's really cool to just check them out, support them. Local guys, we love it. So we're pretty excited, but we've never flown a drone before. So we're going to go to Chantal's school, to the open fields. We're going to have a lot of space to just practice, and then we're going to do our first flight. We're going to video a bit and you'll see it. Yeah.
We are at my school. There's a big open field in front of us and I think it's the perfect place for our first flight.
Yeah, we spent some time at home just calibrating everything as well as updating the firmware. It's all ready to go flying.
And we also had to charge the batteries.
Yeah, that took a little while.
Took, some time. Cool.
But let's do it.
Guys, this was the perfect place to test drive the drone.
Pretty easy to fly. It took off nicely. We're pretty happy. It's an amazing device.
Even I tried and it's very easy and simple to operate. Our channel is getting such a level up.
Pretty stoked, yeah.
We think we're gonna get the other battery from home and maybe take it to the beach.
Let's do it.
We're feeling more confident now to fly it, so a little bit safer to go to the beach now.
Still nervous, but
very nervous. Let's go. We made it to the beach, guys, and we picked up the spare battery. The wind picked up a little bit. Sorry about the bad sound as well. We're gonna try and fly this drone. If it's too windy, we'll have to come back tomorrow, but let's see how it goes.
That was nerve-wracking.
We're back to where we started this morning and we had such a fun day out flying our new drone.
We had a good day out. The drone worked amazingly. The footage is going to look so good. We're so excited to show you.
It was very nerve-wracking, but I think we were nervous for no reason.
Yeah, it was easy to fly.
In my mind, it was going to go off over the ocean and the whales were gonna eat that. So we're so happy. As we said, this is our 2-year wedding anniversary gift to ourselves, and because leisure travel opened up again this week, we could actually book a weekend away for our anniversary. So please stay tuned to find out
where we're going, and we'll take our drone with.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome. We hope you enjoyed seeing us fly our first ever drone.
Cool guys, stay safe,
Stay healthy,
and wear your mask.
and wear a mask. Mine's in my pocket. See you guys next time.
So when looking to buy the DJI, no, it's a DJI. And we actually went, and we actually, okay, wait, let's start again, sorry.
Just say
Blah,
we-
blah, blah, blah. Anything else?
Yeah, I think that's it.